Wow. I'll take the money first now. That's the first thing I'll do. What will I do with it? I'll first travel. I'll see the world, basically. So that's one of the first things I would. I'm known for my strictness, and then I'm known to be a go-getter, and then somebody that thrives on relationships, and then I communicate precisely what it is that's in my mind. I'm a lion, because the lion is the king of the jungle, basically. So I'll be a lioness. That man is a good man, but don't use me as driver next time. That's my advice. I'll choose family. Family first, business, friends, church, and basically, and others. Give it away. I can't say it. I'll open a zoo, or I'll make people come and watch the elephant for a fee. Funniest. But business is serious, so I don't think anything funny has happened business-wise. But most times is when I don't receive an alert from a customer, and I'm just thinking, when will this money pay? And then come in, and then when it finally comes in, I'm like, why did I not kill myself? So most times I get to laugh at myself that why were you in a hurry first? So basically, tomboy. Oh my God. As a tomboy, I was very brilliant. I was athletic, and I was brainy. I was very intelligent. I don't know what happened, but I used to be very intelligent.